English together.
Talking about money.
Hey, John, can I ask you something?
Sure, Angela. What is it?
Do you make a budget every month?
Yes, I do. I write my budget in a notebook.
Really? That is a good idea. What do you spend money on every month?
I spend money on rent, food, internet, my phone bill, and entertainment.
What is your biggest expense?
My biggest expense is rent.
I pay $450 every month.
That is a lot. Do you also spend a lot on food?
Not too much. I cook at home, so I save money.
Do you eat out often?
No, not often. Maybe once a week.
Do you spend a lot on entertainment?
No, not a lot. I spend about $40 a month on movies and going out with friends.
That is good. Do you use cash or a credit card?
I use both, but I often use my credit card.
Do you think a credit card is helpful?
Yes, it is helpful, but we must use it carefully.
Do you save money every month?
Yes, I try to save $100 every month.
Great. Where do you put your money?
I put it in the bank.
Very smart.
Thank you. I think good money habits are important.
Me too. Money is not everything, but it helps us. Now, let's learn some new words.
Money,
Expense,
rent,
cash,
credit card.
bank.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.